Heritage is the legacy of physical artifacts and intangible attributes of a group or society that are inherited from the past generations, maintained in the present, and bestowed for the benefit for future generations.
Bardhaman or Burdwan is a city of West Bengal state in eastern India. It is the headquarters of Bardhaman district. The history of Bardhaman is known from 5000 BC and belonging to the Mesolithic or Late Stone Age. Most of us are unknown to the rich heritage of Bardhaman. From this short film, we are going to show you the rich and wealthy heritage of Bardhaman.
Have you heard the name of Noor Jahan, the beauty of whose spread far and wide during the regime of India? She was a lady of Bardhaman. Her first husband, Sher Afghan, was the governor of Bengal. He was brutally killed by Qutubuddin, a relative of Jahangir, but did not fail to slay the intruder. After Sher Afghan's death, Mehrunnisa was brought to Mughal harem and was forced to be a consort of Emperor Jahangir. She was named later as Noor Jahan. The entire site is thoroughly maintained by ASI.
It is the most revered temple in the town of Bardhaman and its adjacent areas. In undivided Bengal, the temple had a status of being the Navratna temple. Sarvamangala was the family deity of the Maharajas of Bardhaman. In 1740, Raja Kirti Chand built the temple where a rare idol of goddess Durga on a stone structure is kept. The idol is of goddess Durga with 18 hands seated on a stone. The temple highlights the unique amalgamation of art and architecture, manifested through terracotta styles. According to the researchers, the deity is 2500 years old. Though the temple is located in the heart of Bardhaman, people from all corners of Bengal and even in India come here to worship the mother Sarvamangala. According to the historians, the mother is worshipped by all the people belonging to the Rar area of Bardhaman. The temple premises are maintained well by the Temple Trust Board. In the year 1789, having received the divine instructions from Lord Shiva Maharani Vishnu Kumari, widow of Tilak Chand Mahatab, Maharaj Bardhaman set up 108 Shiva temples. During the Shivratri day, thousands of devotees from various corners of Bardhaman throng here to pay offerings to Lord Shiva. A bubbling fair sits here to mark that occasion and continues for a week.
Curzon Gate, which is also known as the Vijay Toran, is the iconic monument situated in the town of Bardhaman. The gate, studded with Italian architecture, was erected in the year 1903 by the then Maharaja of Bardhaman, Vijay Chand Mahatab, in the honor of Lord Curzon. Vijay Toran, with a large arch and flanked by two gates of smaller size, deserves a wow. On the top of the gate, there are 3 eagles and a couple of knights in sitting posture. This gate was known as the Star of the India Gate. The floral designs on the body of the gate requires to be mentioned here. An exquisite specimen of sculptures, the idol of goddess Kali or Chamunda is made of black stone which rests here in the temple. Mother has 8 hands. On the stone where the mother statue is carved, it shows the veins and muscles of the human body. The idol was traced from the Damodar river bed in the year 1923. The temple is situated in Kanchannagar, which is half a journey from Sarvamangala temple.
Incredible India. We talk about incredible India, but do we know what is incredible India? India is rich in heritage. And Bardhaman, till now we have shown you too many places. But do you think it is preserved as well? And the places we have shown, are they preserved like Taj Mahal? The government of India, are they taking care of these heritage places? I would like to conclude the documentary on heritage sites of Bardhaman saying that the government of India as well as the government of Bardhaman should take care of these heritage sites and should take care of these places so that it can become a part of incredible India.
हल्का